Hello, pickworkers and sheep punchers. This is JuryDutySummons, and this is Jury's Toolbox. Hello. Yes, yeah, I wanted to go through, show you guys some of the shenanigans I've been up to since we've last been together here. And, oh, dang it, I'm freaking... Why does it do that to me? Anyway, I'll go fix that in a bit. So yeah, so I want to show you guys what I've been up to. So, there's little derp. He is ridiculously huge still. Hasn't got any bigger, though. I was afraid he'd fill up that whole thing over there. Yeah, what was I doing? Oh, yes. I've been running this thing long enough that I think I can start doing some of the interesting things with equivalent exchange. And so I've taken out all of the eternalist fuel and everything, and I've created dark matter out of it. So I've got 11 dark matter. And I think that's enough for what I want to do. So what I did is I gathered together all of my resources, all of the diamonds I had from downstairs. You can see the condenser right there. All of the diamonds that the machinery found on its own, and all the different materials. I ground up a bunch of ore and did that, and I was able to get together 11 dark matter and 15 diamonds. It's amazing that everything I've done can be condensed into just 2 quarter stacks. Well, anyway, there's a couple things I wanted to make. So first of all, I wanted to make a dark matter hammer. That's how you do it. A line of diamonds and a couple of dark matter, and dark matter hammer. And now I'm not really sure what the difference is between a dark matter hammer and a dark matter pickaxe. They seem to kind of overlap, but the descriptions are different. I've never used either one of them, so let's see. Dark matter pickaxe. And what else do I want to do? Oh, yes. I also wanted to do a dark matter sword because I say so. And what else did I want to do? What else can I do? I can do a dark matter axe. Let's do a dark matter axe. Why not, right? And I guess the last thing I can do shears, I guess. Or I could do a shovel. Let's do shears. I think I can do that. Okay, how do I do shears? Okay, diamond and dark matter. I thought I did that. So, a diamond and a dark matter. That makes no sense. Why doesn't this working? So, diamond, dark matter. What? Oh, okay, whatever. I have dark matter shears now. Alright, cool. Let's put these diamonds away, because they're my last of my wealth, really. I'll put those away, I guess, except for that. So anyway. Alright, let's see. Well, first of all, I'm really curious about the difference between this tool and this tool is. So let's find the appropriate place to start digging crap. Can I do this? Does that work? Oh, okay. Alright. So, oh, a rat. Oh no, it's a mouse. Never mind. Well, we might as well just go into... Oh, let's do this. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Why may I have that in hand? Well, that moves really fast. Okay, let's charge it up a bit. So V. I guess it goes even faster. Cool. Charge up faster. I'm not sure why it's doing quite like that. Let's get somewhere that's a little brighter. Over here. There we go. I didn't bring any torches for some reason. Alright, well, it just pounds things really fast. Alright, that's cool. That does things really fast. Let's charge this up as well. So we'll charge it up once. And it just does it really fast. Wow, that's so fast. Let's do it again. Charge it more. Wow. And right-clicking seems to do nothing. Okay. Maybe something else I'm missing here, because those seem to do the same thing. Oh, okay, so C changes the mode. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Alright. Wow. Okay, that's weird. Holy cow. Alright. So, see the change of mode. Alright, cool. So that is a 3 wide. Oh, that is so cool. So these little round things are just the ore and whatnot, whatever I picked up. Alright, let's try it. We're changing mode one more time. So tall shot, 3 wide mode, 3 down. Okay, so let's see what happens. Oh, I see. It goes 3 down. Okay. Cool. Nice. Well, very cool. Let's see what I can do with different modes on this. Mega impact. Whoa. Whoa. Cool. I'm sorry it's dark. I apparently chose a bad time for this. But that's alright. Cool. That's very cool. I'm liking that. Let's go find some trees. Come on. Actually, you know what? I'm going to sleep, and I'll be back in just a minute. Alright. I'm back. I have a forest here to clean up. Let's see how this axe does. Okay. Well, that's alright. Alright. Well, that's... Wow. Okay. I think I just got screwed by the Decapitator mod. Not really screwed, I guess, but wasn't really the effect I was looking for. But that's okay. That's alright. We can... I want to collect all this stuff, because, man, that's some good EMC. I didn't even get to all of it. Alright, so let's charge up here. So, that's one charge. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, I'm... Oops. Come on, charge up more. There we go. I thought I was supposed to be killing the leaves, but I guess not. Alright, so Decapitator might have made this pickaxe totally useless. I think the good news is I can actually get the EMC back out of it, so it's not a huge issue. I think I can actually get... Whoa. Whoa, there we go. Hello. I actually think that the secondary ability on some of this, I might need to be holding fuel to do it. Whoa. That's awesome. It's like, ha, screw you trees. All your leaves are belonging to me. I don't know what the hell we're doing with all these leaves. They are useless, totally. Alright, let's try going up one more, see what happens. Plonk. Wow, I just deforested. That's so fun. I'm easily amused, folks. Deal with it. Alright, let's get some... There we go. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with all those leaves. They're fairly useless, but I guess I could throw them in the, whatever it's called, the condenser. That's what I'm saying. Hey, an apple. Okay, there we go. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Plop. Wow, that's ridiculous. Okay, well, I was worried about EMC, but I guess I'm okay. This forest I planted has suddenly just kind of became wood. Okay, holy crap. I didn't really want to sit here and collect this stuff all day. Alright, let's go see if I can actually throw away that. Oh, let's get these two. Give that some time to condense. Alright, so let's see if I can do that. Oh, okay, they'll be eaten. They're not, I don't think they're worth very much, but it's alright. At least we can make some diamonds out of it, right? Okay. Oh, I think I'll just keep one stack as it is anyway, you know? Oh yeah, about to get to a diamond. Awesome. Yay! Okay, well, we'll let that continue. I'll go over here and just collect whatever's fallen so far. Holy cow. Okay, I need to get some redstone dust, some glowstone, some charcoal, just some random fuel, and see if we can do that. Or maybe I just grab some Eternalist fuel. That'd probably be okay. Or, you know what? I bet a Klein Star. I bet it would take right from a Klein Star. I have one in the charger right now, so I bet I have some EMC to use. I accidentally made a second one, and the Klein Stars are one of the few things in Equivalent Exchange you can't get EMC from again. So, I have a spare one, which is actually not a big deal, because eventually I'll need to make 2 more, or 4 total, to get to the next level of Klein Star. So I'm not too concerned. But in the meantime, I just throw it in my condenser, and everything collects. There. Okay, come on. There we go. Oh, I wanted to mention that in the upcoming month, I'm going to be taking off a couple of weeks from doing videos because I'm moving. I'm moving into a new house, and actually a house I am buying. I'm so proud of that. So anyway, yes, I'll be moving into a new house. So there'll be a time where I'm not going to have internet, and there'll be a time where I'm going to be just busy. And I'm also helping my sister move. She's moving cross country to go to college. Oh, well, not go to college, but, well, yes, go to college. But that's not all she's doing, I guess, is one way to say it. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, she's going to college, and she's doing other things as well. She's in college right now. Okay, I'll just shut up. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just mumbling now. Yes, so that whole process is going to take a couple of weeks just to even just go cross country. And so, yeah. So there'll be like maybe 3 weeks where I won't be doing anything as far as videos go. I'll try to get out an update and stuff just to remind you guys I still exist. Okay, cool. So I have like 60,000 EMC. Yeah. So I'll let you guys know closer to when it's going to happen. That way you guys aren't going to be like totally surprised. Okay, let's... wood? Oh, haha, cool. So what I wanted is coal. There we go. I'm gonna make some... There we go. There we go. Some torches. Let's go mining. Let's go play underground. Now that I actually have some torches, I can do that. Because I'm pretty sure there was actually a mode of that I wasn't even considering. The right-clicking, I think, does something if you have fuel. So let's go get some. I have the Klein Star, which I'm pretty sure can be used for fuel. It wouldn't make sense. The Klein Stars wouldn't make sense if that didn't work. So let's try it. I actually died recently off camera. I ended up losing so much stuff. It was ridiculous. I lost my bags. Both my bags I lost, and I lost some other stuff. And I gotta remember to put down lots of torches. Actually, let's go in the options here, make it brightness up. Video settings. There we go. That actually, okay, that should be good. So, okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, that was so close. Oh! Oh man, that was panicked. Whew. All I knew is if I clicked the right way, I might be able to get water on me. Wow. Okay, that did so much more than I thought it would. Wow. I may have rage quit if I had lost all this stuff. Okay, let's put some of these in the bag. Some of the ones I'm not going to use right away. In that. And that. Alright, at least we're not going to lose everything. Whew, I don't even know what to do now. That's ridiculous. Alright, let's go over here and try this. I need to find an area without so much lava underneath it. Crikeys. It's not get stuck in there. Wow. I don't even know what to do with this. Okay, cool. That worked. This is like the only way to mine. This is ridiculous. Oh, wow. No, don't do it. Dang it. Okay, good. I didn't want to lose that. Back. Okay, let's see here. Oh, cool. Okay, so right-clicking on ore eats up all the ore. Oh, that is so handy. Sweet. Oh, dark again. Alright, so being in water is probably the best way to do this. Woo. That is so cool. Wow. Alright, it's only doing stone. It's leaving everything else behind, it looks like. Wow, so if I wanted there's just a mine like this, that's ridiculously fast. Or like that. I'm having way too much fun doing this. This is awesome. Oh, I think I just broke the game, though. Dunk. Oh, am I full? I am full. Alright, what can I throw in there? Dink, dink. I got some diamonds already? Holy cow. Sticks will hold on to. That doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. Furnaces? What do I have furnaces on me for? Maybe no. So lapis, put there. Appetite. I have an appetite. Ooh, diamond. Yay, diamond. Ah, girls, water. Why are you here, water? Okay, well, I guess that's that. Ha! Confusing the water. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Let's do that. Alright, let's figure out exactly how much EMC this is taking. I'm kind of curious. Oh, I have no way to... How do I tell? I think I can tell. So to do... Oh, I thought I could right-click with it for some reason. That's alright. So let's dial this down. How do you dial this down? Whoa. Okay. So mega impact to normal impact. Okay, let's try that again. And so mega impact, let's see. Oh, that went right in the lava. Oh, so it doesn't do dirt at all. So I would really need a shovel to do this, I think. To make this worthwhile, make it work properly. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Man, I'm full up again. That goes so fast. Alright, cool. Where am I? I'm like totally lost, I think. Yeah, so we're going to use a diamond to dig dirt. That's what we're going to do. I thought I made a shovel. I didn't make a shovel, did I? Damn. Damn. Alright. Oh, that's okay. Whoa. More diamond. Let's see if I can cheat that. Oh, that's not diamond, is it? That's appetite or something like that. Alright, so we'll put some cobblestone in there so I have some space. I guess I need to get closer. And there we go. Perfect. Oh, that is so handy. And I am quite lost, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out my way out of here. Because I think that's about all the mining you guys want to see me do. Mega Hammer mode. Ryukin! Ryukin! Oh, wait. Okay. That's so funny. What level am I at right now? Yeah. I'll just go a straight line like this forever. It'd be awesome. Ryukin! Jeez. This is like not even fair. Game over, man. And let's get some of that because I want to. Oh, whoops. And that. And that. And that. And that. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to pause it here just because I think we're done exploring this part. And I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to find something to kill. Oh, yeah. There's no modes. Okay. Alright, yes, so I'll be back. Okay, I made it back to the surface and I am in the middle of the village. Yeah, let's see what the village is doing. Somehow this part of the house got destroyed. Oh yeah, you bounce. What news? I don't have no news! And why did you put that there? Lady, how dare you? How dare you? Okay. What are we at right now? What are you doing? You're resting, huh? You've been working... Man, you should take a break. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, you want cobblestone? I can give you crap tons of cobblestone. I don't know how to become favorite trader with these people. I kind of want to care, but I kind of don't. Maybe I'm just being rude. Have a good day. Alright, cool. Hey, what's your current project? Is there something I can give you that would be helpful? You got planks? You need wool. Oh, you need wool. Well then. I can help with that. Let's find the goddamn sheep. Where are you, sheep? Get over here. Wool. Oh, what? 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 I don't know what's going on. I thought I could shear you, sheep. Why can't I shear you? There's no mode. Oh, I keep hitting that button. I think there's a way to turn down. What is the command for that, though? Dang it. Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna look up the command for that. I don't remember exactly what it is. Okay, I got it here. You gotta sneak and then hit V, and that closes the charge. Why are you not sharing these sons of bitches? I don't know why that's not working, but it should be sharing sheep. Sort of disappointed, in fact. Yay, grass. You want to be my friend? You want some grass? There you go, have some grass. You like grass, don't you? Oh. Well, quit bitching about it, noob. You know, this tree over here has been bugging me for a long time. Let's see if we can take care of it. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I don't like this tree very much. I just don't. This tree must die. I once tried to cut it down. It's just taking forever. It's my gut. Screw it. This is a good example of a tree that doesn't actually come down with Treecapitator. So this is a great one to try this on. So let's try the regular axe part. So you can see how this whole thing doesn't pop down with Treecapitator. When you do that, it does. I think the reason I don't like this tree is that half of the tree was missing because of the village spawned in the middle of it or something. And it's been bugging me since then. So what I want to do is destroy this mother. Man, even with this tool, it's taking forever. Do it. Tree be gone. There we go. Now I'm going to have this nonsense to clean up too. Come on, you can do it. Why am I doing this? Okay, well, maybe I'll just do this later. And there we go. Let's just do... Oops, that's the wrong one. Alright, so, and then we'll just get rid of this by doing that. Or not. Dang it. Whatever. That was kind of strange. Let's try that again. Well, I better not do it around there. That'll confuse them. I don't want to confuse them in their quarry. That they keep digging but never go anywhere. Alright, so let's see what happens. I'm going to right click on the ground here. There must have been some dirt down there. That's hilarious. Huh. I still don't get why I can't shear the guy's staying shape. So... I don't know. That has me confused. Well. Anyway, sword. Yes! I am going to sleep till night. Oh, well, thank you for the egg, I guess. I can't hit anybody. Yes, I'm going to sleep till night, and I'll be back so I can start killing some skeletons. Or perhaps something more interesting. Alright, talk to you later.